Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing. It seems that there's an issue with the ping command, as it's not being found when trying to use it in the terminal. The error message, zh command not found ping, is popping up, but interestingly, when running sbin ping with the appropriate parameters, everything works just fine. Additionally, checking the current path environment variable reveals that the directory sbin is not included in it. Taking a peek at the .zshrc file shows that the path is being modified, but there seems to be an unnecessary character at the end of the export command. Now, the question is, will removing this character restore sbin to the path? Now, onto the solution. By removing the extraneous % from the export command in the .zshrc file, the correct path will be set. After editing the file, ensure to run the corrected export path line to update the path for the current shell. This command will add the necessary directories, including sbin, to the path, ensuring that commands like ping can be found and executed without any issues. It's a simple fix that will quickly get your system back on track. To sum it all up, we've tackled the ping not found problem by identifying and correcting a small error in the .zshrc file. By removing the unnecessary character from the export command and updating the path, we've restored the correct directories and fixed the issue. Remember, small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in how your system functions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you next time.